In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export team members in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to access your account settings. Open Microsoft Teams and look for your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This is where you'll start your journey to export your team members. Go ahead and click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, you'll need to navigate to your Microsoft account. From that drop-down menu, select the option that says My Microsoft Account. When you click it, a new tab will open in your web browser, taking you directly to your Microsoft Account homepage. Once you're on the Microsoft Account homepage, it's time to open your privacy settings. On the left sidebar of this page, you should see several options available to you. Click on the one that says Privacy. This is where you can manage how your information is used and accessed. Now that you're in the privacy settings, scroll down the page until you find a service called Microsoft Teams. It should be listed among other Microsoft services. When you locate Microsoft Teams, click on it to access the specific data management options associated with your Teams account. Within the Teams data management options, look for a section labeled Contacts. This area will contain relevant details about your team members. When you find it, go ahead and click on Contacts. Now comes the exciting part, exporting your contacts. Look for the button that says Export Contacts. Once you click that, Microsoft Teams will automatically generate a file for you. This file will contain the information of your team members and will be downloaded directly to your computer's Downloads folder. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry about complications. After the download is finished, it's essential to view your newly exported data. Open the file from your local file system, typically found in the Downloads folder. When you open this file, you should see a comprehensive list of your team members along with their contact information neatly organized for your review. Remember, exporting team members from Microsoft Teams can be a useful way to keep track of contacts, especially if you want to share this information with someone or store it for future reference. To recap, accessing your account settings is the first step, followed by navigating to your Microsoft account. From there, delve into the privacy settings, locate Microsoft Teams, find the Contacts option, and finally, you'll be able to export your contacts effortlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the steps, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional videos on Microsoft Teams and other useful software tips.